to Excel. Just did a basic introduction. Um, okay, so was there anything you tried out on your own that yesterday?
Oh, I didn't know I was meant to try it out.
Huh?
I didn't know I was meant to try it out.
You didn't try out anything.
Yeah.
Even after I told you that Excel has a lot of things that one can try out. Uh,
Uh,
okay.
if I would have checked. If you told me to, I would have checked and explored through it.
Anyway, so from yesterday, I told you some things that Excel can be used for, right?
Yes.
So
Where's
can
my
you tell me some of them?
welcome? Wait. Okay. Okay. Um, you can use it for shopping list,
Okay.
data data analyst, payroll, academic report card, organizing our
Okay.
data, simple
Yeah.
personal budget, and
Okay.
project management.
Okay. Okay. So we can add some things to that. Do you know what accounting is all about?
Account.
Hmm?
No, not really.
Okay. But you know who an accountant is?
Yes.
Who is an accountant?
It's like, how do I explain it? Accountant is like, I think,
Okay, let me ask you something. Have you ever, at the end of maybe a week or a month, you took record of money that came into your maybe your account or maybe your possession, somebody how much money was given to you,
is
and
it like,
then how much money you spent. Have you ever done anything like that?
no,
You've never sat down to like organize your thoughts in terms of money that came in and money that went out. Okay,
no, because
well,
I haven't gotten money for like the past 3 months.
but you get usually you said you usually have a budget for food every day, right?
Yeah, that's for school.
Okay, okay. So that what you call that budget per se can be somehow likened to money that came in and then money that was spent. Well, even though it's only for food that we're talking about, but usually what an accountant does is that an accountant will look at all the money. Sometimes there's a way that you now pluralize it, the different means for money to come in, which they call monies. Okay, so that's what is the plural of money, not money per se, like when you see that word monies, it's talking about different ways that money came into an organization, or maybe an organization. So what the accountant will do is that the accountant will look at the inflow, money that came in, money that they were paid by a client, and then put it side by side with money that was spent. Okay, so that's expenditure. Have you heard of that word expenditure before?
No, never.
Okay, but okay. So money that you spend, right, is called expenditure. Okay, what you spend it on is the expenditure. So that's job of balancing books, okay, money that came in versus money that went out, that money that was spent, is basically what an
Yeah.
accountant does. So they do a lot of record keeping. Do you understand? Record
Yes,
keeping,
sir.
keeping of records, so that
Yeah.
when
Like
anybody needs
keeping
to
of
do
data.
those, yeah, what did you say?
Keep like or it could be keeping of like the data of like how
For an
your money,
organization, yes.
yeah, how your money is
Uh-huh.
organized.
Yes, yes, that's basically what they do. So that's so well. So that is also a thing that makes Excel a very good software that they can use, because Excel already is organized into tables. Okay, so you can see the rows and the columns. So it makes it easy for them to use Excel for those kind of things. Um, so accounting um, is part of what you can use Excel for. Then I'm just going to add the other things that I didn't mention. Um, Data entry, visuals and graphs, and then, well, I told you about programming yesterday, right? But it is not
Yeah.
like the programming that you know per se, that kind of thing. But it's a different kind of programming. Depending on how far we go, we may briefly look at that aspect of
It's
Excel too.
it's a
Um,
spreadsheet program, Excel.
Spreadsheet programming, which is there's a name that they call it, Visual Basic for applications, but we may go into it, briefly. Then there's one other area which they call financial modeling, and well, I mean, I don't know how I will explain it so that you will understand. But basically, what that financial modeling is that someone that is called a financial expert can, based on data that the person has collected, can create a file, right, that looks like, um, that can respond to data that is thrown at it, and then show you how things will behave if some different parameters are changed. Don't worry about really understanding it, but just know that there's a field of study called financial, that is financial modeling. Okay, and Excel is used for that field. Okay, so let me not really bother you explaining that, but if you can, if you
Should
want
I
to do
write it?
some research, yes, please just write these ones in addition to the ones that you wrote down yesterday.
Yeah, I'm coming. Let me go get a pen.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
All right.
Uh, Thursday, Thursday, 8th January 2026. Excel. Data entry, accounting, visual and graph, programming, Oh, modeling.
Okay, you are done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, so let's see some other things about Excel. Okay,
Sir,
so yes.
no, no, what did he say? That will be what?
Now I said let's see some other things about Excel
Oh, okay.
today. Yes. So if you notice, each of these boxes where you typed first name, surname, hobby, your name, Simeon, and all that, each of them is called a cell. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Don't click anything. No. I want to show you something. I'm annotating inside a cell. Okay,
Oh, like in the body.
so that's the spelling of the word cell that I'm talking about. Just like
Oh,
a
S-E-L.
cell that in. Yeah, what did you say?
Is it O cell? Oh, C. Wait, is
Yes,
that S or C?
CEL. Uh-huh. So where have you seen you've clicked somewhere now? That's why I say you should not click anything.
Where did I click?
I don't know. You click something and the thing
I
that I
did.
was writing inside has disappeared.
Oh, it's still here for me.
I can't see it.
Me,
I can't
me, I
see
can
it.
see. I can see it. S-E-L-L in red.
No, CELL is there. It's not S. It's
Oh,
C I
so.
wrote.
Yeah, I
It's
meant
C.
C. So
Mm.
I was thinking
But
of
you clicked
S.
something. The cell itself that was selected is off. Anyway, where that box that I wrote that CELL, that box itself is called a cell. Now, I want you to take note of something. Each of these cells has a particular name. So for instance now, if I tell you um click inside cell E2, okay? Cell E2, you will find it under column E, okay?
Yes, sir.
And now hold on, let me so that let me do it correctly. Cell E2 is under column E, so you come under E. Can you see where I'm pointing at? Where I drew an arrow?
Yes. Oh, I should click
Good.
it.
Yes, click it.
Oh, I thought you were just doing an example.
No, good. So that what you just clicked now is called cell E2. Can you see that at the top left here, just above where you have A, you see E2 there? Have you seen
E2.
it?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Uh-huh. So that is what Excel uses to show you which cell is the active cell where you are typing inside now. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So always remember with the smallest unit of each sheet is a cell. Once you want to type anything inside, you need to double click and then type something inside. So remember how to denote cells. I don't know how you write that in your book, but you can just do something like, I don't know, um I don't know if you can do this like a drawing showing um that it is E under the column E and then row 2. Okay, row 2. That's E2. That's how you get E2.
Okay.
Can you do something like that in your note?
Wait, which one? Which one? Because I see
What
two
I
out.
just annotated now, this E and then the arrow pointing downwards from E and then the arrow pointing from to the right from 2?
Yeah. It.
You understand what I'm saying?
No,
Mm-hmm.
not really, sir.
You can just draw something that looks like a table and then put E on top and then an arrow pointing downwards into a box and then 2 on the left hand side and an arrow pointing from 2 into the box. It's just a way of just imitating what you obtains in reality. So it's the column first, followed by the row. The row is the one on the left-hand side, the number on the left-hand side. The column is usually a letter. The row is a number.
Okay, sir.
All right. So let's see. All right. So can you click inside that E2? And then just type. I'll send you some. Okay, let me show you what to type. Inside that E2, type this equals to 5 plus 7. Can you type that? Inside, no, not there, not there. I said inside E2.
Oh,
Uh-huh. Thank you. Now hit enter.
oh,
What
12.
did you notice?
It shows the
12,
answer.
isn't it? It added it for you. Thank you. So basically, what you just did now is that anytime you want to do a um like minor addition, you usually use what is called a formula. And Excel formulas always start with an equals to. Don't forget that. They
Okay.
always start with an equals to. Yes. So
Okay,
once you
sir.
do that, then you can now express it. And we don't usually put spaces after the equals to. Just type it like that, equals to, and then you go straight. If you're adding, you add. If you're subtracting, you subtract. Of course, I'm sure you know by now that multiplication is asterisk, division is forward slash. So it's the same thing here too. So you can try out one of any of the different operators. You just did addition, so go ahead and try out subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let me see. So this one is subtraction you're trying to do now.
Oh,
Which one
division.
is this? Yes, division. Okay. 256 divided by what? Okay, nice. So that's division. All right. So subtraction.
9 minus 3.
Don't
Yes.
forget your equals to. Thank you. Okay, nice. Multiplication.
It's 7. Seven. It's 7 times 5.
Can you verify that that answer is correct?
Yes, sir.
87 times 5. Hmm?
Yeah, I'm checking. But what is this? How do I wrote it? 87 times 5. Yes, it's right.
Anyway, so you can see all the operators that you did. All right. Okay, so That's for the at least the four operators that you know. Modulus, I think modulus has a separate this thing. I'm not sure that percentage sign will work for it. Or let's give it a try. Try try doing modulus and be sure of the answer so that if you get it correct, we will know it's correct or
Wait,
not.
what does modulus do again?
Remainder after division.
Okay. 9 divide, sorry. 9. Oh, no, it doesn't work.
What did he say? He said there was a problem. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Well, modulus has its own function in Excel, so that's why it's not aligned that percentage sign.
Huh?
No problem. I said it has its own function in Excel, so that's why it's not aligned the percentage sign to be used. Okay. All right.
Sir,
So
sir, please, I'm coming.
don't be long. Go. Where are you going?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
My brother
All
also
right.
had it.
So that,
I was in my room, and my brother also has a glass, so I had to leave.
okay. Okay. All right. So I was talking about um I want to annotate something, but it's a long drawing, so you may not see it until I'm done drawing. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this thing that I just drew, should I call it a? It's not really a rectangle, but I just drew something around it, right? That is the menu. Okay. They usually call it tabs. So you can, if you click on home, the home is already clicked on. That's the active tab. Click on insert, you will see that it will change. Insert has something different. Uh-huh. So those are, you can see that it's different. Click on draw. Yes. Okay. So you can see each of these are tabs. Okay. There are menu tabs. So they show you, they help you to see all the things that are related to a particular usage, depending on what you want to do, right? For instance, home seems to contain different things that you may mostly use. Insert is for stuff that you want to add to Excel at any point in time. We'll look at all these ones in detail if we really need to look into all of them, but we'll look into the main ones. Now, this area that I drew, this whole area, I don't, let me see if I can draw this whole space like this is called the ribbon. Okay, somebody would have called it a ribbon, but I think it's safe to just call it what I called it. Okay, so that's the word for it. All right, RIBBON. double B-O-N. Okay. So we're just looking at the parts of Excel's interface and what's the name that's the official names that they have. Okay, so that's called the ribbon, and you can see, probably you can see why it's called the ribbon. It looks like,
Yes.
those things that you use for decoration. Okay, your battery is low.
Yeah, I need to go charge it.
Are you with the charger?
No, but I'll go get it.
Simeon, anytime you're coming to class, always come with your charger now.
Yes. Yes, sir. So what's happened is that my brother is using the charger, and we have no more laptop charger in the house.
So Sharon does not have her own laptop charger.
No, they both share one.
Wow. Ah. Ah. So how long does the laptop have?
Maybe like 10 minutes. I don't know.
Hmm. Oh wow. Okay, now just tell you, maybe I don't know whether you write it down in your book, that area there at the top of this area down here is called the sheet, the worksheet, while the area on top is called the ribbon. And then each of these ones that are separated by this vertical line, can see what I just annotated now. Can you see what I just annotated?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Each of them separated by that vertical line is called a group. So this one is called the clipboard group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This other one is called the font group. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All the commands inside here are related to font. This other one is called the alignment group. Okay. So
Yes.
just try and remember so that when we're talking about it, you will understand. So it's a group. Inside each group, you have commands, and each group is separated by those bars. The groups together are inside the tab, either home tab. This one is the one for home tab. Insert we have its own, draw has its own, and so on and so forth. Um, okay, so can you just take note of that so that we just know that at least we're able to
Okay,
cover
wait, so what
something
do,
for
what do I write?
eh?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing,
What
but
I
like,
just said now.
yes, what
Okay,
like in like a sentence or like a paragraph? What?
don't worry. Let me say I'll send it to you on WhatsApp so that the laptop doesn't go off while we're still on the meeting. I'll send it
Okay,
to you on WhatsApp.
okay, sure.
But please, Simeon, always try and charge your laptop if you like in this scenario now. Make sure that the laptop is charged before
No,
you use it.
it's only because my sister. So my sister has LED lights, and she needs the laptop for the LED light, and she leaves it overnight. That's the only
Mm.
reason why.
But just anyhow, shall just see how we can get the laptop back up if we can before class, especially if it's on the same day that Shalom is having his own class.
Yes.
Okay, I'll send you the note for this bit that we did today. Then I think the next time we're meeting will be on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'll also send you something little that you can do before that Saturday. See what you can try out on your own. Don't forget to save
Thank
your
you, sir.
work. Oh.
Wait, isn't it already saved?
Okay, it's automatically saved. Don't worry, it's automatically saved. I think the thing is doing auto save by itself. All right. So we
Okay,
meet
sir.
on Saturday, 2 p.m. your time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too. Thanks.